Hello crafty friends, welcome. Today I'm going to show you some cards that I made, and these are just, you can make a quick note card set for somebody that's, pretty quick and easy. You can just assembly line style these. So the first thing that I'm doing is just shaping the leaves this is a cut from the Cricut Art Philosophy cartridge, but dies, you can do the same thing. You can shape them with the stylus. All these flowers I'm going to shape the same way. So these again are daisies from the Close to My Heart Flower Market cartridge. But I've also used punches to make these daisies. I just like these because the two layers are a little different. But I just take my embossing stylus and I shape them and curve them, and actually by bending and stretching the cardstock in this fashion, it actually gives it a memory. So they, even if you ironed them, they wouldn't go exactly back to their original place. So these are the centers to the flowers, and I'm just using tiny glue dots to put them in the centers. And they jump and run around on me, so I apologize for that. But so that's what I'm going to do with all of 12 of these flowers. So there's 3 in the wild berry, 3 peacock, 3 grape, and 3 mulberry. And now I took those 2 leaves and I cut them apart so that I could have at least 1 leaf with each of the 12 flowers that I created. So I'm going to show you the process of putting one card together and what I did, and at the end you can see how I kind of varied that process with each of the cards. So here I took the raspberry splatter brush or shimmer pen, and I'm just splattering it kind of in a diagonal across the front of the card. And then to get 3 different tones of the cardstock color, I'm using the light side of the wild berry, and I sanded it so that it takes off some of the color to make it lighter. The middle one is the lighter side, and then the bottom right is the actual wild berry color of that cardstock. So here with Harbor ink, I'm just stamping just because, and then I'm going to arrange these flowers on it. And like I said, each of the other 3 sets, or 3 cards with the different colors, I did just a little differently because there may be a layout that speaks to you, or you may want to do different kinds. So this is the wild berry one that I did, and then with the peacock and all the other colors, to get that darker tone of the 3rd strip, I actually inked it with the color ink pad that matched it. Quick card set for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join the Crafting with Amanda community. There's another video you may be interested in. I do layouts on Tuesdays and Sundays, and I try to do cards or some other project on Fridays. Have a blessed day. Thank you.